everyone, this is Girl Proprep. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. It's nice to have you back. So today I am going to be doing a hair and makeup tutorial. I told you guys I was going to do this hair and makeup tutorial a while back, but I tried to record it, but the lighting wasn't right and I've been busy. But yeah, today I'm recording it. And if you've been wondering why I haven't been doing so many tutorials in terms of hair or makeup, is because look at my skin. It's going through the most. Yeah, and I just had an allergic reaction last week. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this hair and makeup is from my ORS event. I was a guest speaker and a lot of you liked my hair and makeup, so you guys asked me to do this, so that's why I'm doing it. Yeah, the first part of this video is me laying my hair, and I did this yesterday because I really wanted my hair to be as flat as it was the first time, because the last time I did it the night before, so this time I also wanted to do it the night before. I will just what do you call this? I will just put in the process of how I got my hair to be like this right now. This is the next day, so yeah, let's get started with the makeup. I like to put an oil or moisturizer or anything on my face before I apply my makeup and stuff. So today I'm going to be using this Naga, I think that's how you say it, Radiance Face Oil, citrus Radiance Face Oil, and I got this from Beauty on Tap. Just want to prep the skin. Don't mind me looking there, guys, like my mirror is here. So we are going to put some primer on. I use the LA Girl Proprep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. Before I apply my foundation, I like to put on some powder. This is MAC Studio Fix, and it's in the shade NC50. So for today's tutorial, I'm gonna be trying out these new brushes that I got from AliExpress. Let me tell you something about AliExpress, guys. AliExpress really discriminates when it comes to smaller towns. I ordered these brushes last month, and they're already here. If I was still in Polokwane, I'm in Pretoria by the way. If I was still in Polokwane, I would have probably gotten them in October. But yeah, now we are going to be applying foundation. As you guys know, I use Estee Lauder double wear stay in place makeup, but it's finished, as you can see. And I haven't found, whenever I go get my shade, it's out, so I've been living off of samples for now. But yes, let's see, where's that foundation brush? These brushes are so pretty. I'm not a big fan of foundation brushes, so please let me use this brush in peace. Gotta spritz a little bit of setting spray on it. Of the foundation, I always go over it with some powder. Same powder, same MAC powder. Gonna take FixIT spray from MAC, just a little bit. This makeup routine is so quick and simple. Actually, the hair and the makeup is so quick and simple that, yeah. What's wrong, dude? Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to be using some of my old brushes. That's why I didn't wash them, because I thought I was gonna use the new brushes, but they don't have everything that I wanted. But anyway, then we are going to now just put some powder. This powder is Yardley Stay Fast powder, and it's in caramel fudge. I use it to kind of like highlight underneath my eyes. Ooh, too close to the eye there. Now we're gonna contour, and I am using the All Women Perfect Contour Powder Palette from FixIT. This is what it looks like. And we are going to be using this shade right here, the first shade. Yeah. One of my favorite brushes. So cute. We are going to take the bronzer from the 78 Professional Palette from Beauty Treats. I got this from Dischem. Here we go. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside. And this one right over here that's almost done is what I use to bronze. Guys, please leave some suggestions in the comments. Bronzer, if you're my shade and know a bronzer that I would probably love, please leave it in my comment sections, because I am almost out of bronzer. New brush. So now it's eyelash time. Eyebrow, I mean. That came out really good. That came out, I am shocked. Okay. Let's see this hating ass left brow. There's always that one brow that does not ever want to cooperate. For me, it's my left one. Of messing up, because this never happens. It takes me a little bit longer to get my brows to the shape that I think fits. But yeah, let's wow, okay. let's conceal. second time I'm recording this tutorial, so y'all gonna get whatever I give you, damn it. I'm tired. Brows done. Now let's do the eyeshadow. Okay, so my eyeshadow routine for that day was literally bronzer. I put bronzer on my eye, and yeah, almost called it a day. The bronzer that I use, that's what I use on my face. Let's do bronzer. I went in with this orange, this kind of like burnt-y orange situation thing. It's from the Beauty Treats palette, guys. And then I just put it like, I don't know, oh, the lights are back. I don't know what to call this part of my eye, but I put it here. Just want to take another brush and kind of like just blend in the orange with the bronzer. Take that orange shade and just put it underneath the lash. I used this blush. It's a little bit more orange than this one, but this one is from L'Oreal Paris Le Blush in the shade Gold Member. Let's see. And now we are gonna highlight. I use Wow Shimmer. I got this from Xtreme. It doesn't really have a shade, just know that it's the goldest one there. Just do that. And a little bit of that. Don't forget the brow bone. I really can't sing. I can't believe how pathetic that note was. I cannot believe it. It's so embarrassing. First step, you gotta line the lips. I am using this lip liner. It's from Signature. I think it's in the color Toffee. I don't really remember because it's faded out because I use it so much, but I really love the color of this. This MAC lipstick, it is in the shade Kind of Sexy, and I kind of just use it to like bring color to my lips. I just want that little pink. And then we are going to take NYX Butter Gloss. NYX Butter Gloss. I love this lip gloss. It is in the shade Gingersnap. I usually and then I put it on the outside of my lips, and then in the middle of my lips I put a lighter shade lip gloss. I use this one from Candy Girl. I got it from Clicks. It's all the it's, yeah, but I really love this kind of like caramelly shade. I don't know if you guys can see it. I really love that shade. You guys know I'm always rocking a glossy lip, okay? Now let's put on some FixIT spray. Where's my FixIT spray? We are all done. Is that too much? I'm going to undo my hair and show you guys what it looks like the next day, okay? Wave check, wave check, wave check, wave check. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, it's kind of red here, but you can always fix that with a little bit more gel. Wave check. Guys, lay your hair the night before, okay? So the hair I use for this hairstyle is from a brand called Magic, and the type of hair is called Regina. Okay, so first of all, you are just gonna make kind of like a bun situation. So just wrap the hair around your bun, and don't worry about securing it because this hair is on a piece of weave, so you can just wrap it around. Then we are just gonna take some hair clips. Hair clips are big, okay, are a big accessory right now. So I just took these hair clips. I stole them from my aunt, so please don't ask me where I got them. I don't know, they are tortoise shell. Okay, and that is it, guys. That is it. That is my look for the ORS event where I spoke for my first time as a guest speaker for a brand. Okay, but yeah, this is it. Quick, easy. I did it in less than 2 hours. Less than 2 hours. So just let me know if you like it, guys. Just let me know. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is my favorite face that I've done in a very long time because I haven't been wearing makeup because I told you guys in the beginning of the thing that, you know, I have skin problems, so I'm staying away from makeup. But yeah, as you can see, what skin problems? Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, watch my other tutorials. Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead, click that bell, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.